One of the most debated topics in the New Testament is the virgin birth of Jesus. It says that a virgin conceived a child without the help of a man, and then gave birth to him without any effort. This story is the foundation of Christianity, and it asks us to believe in the impossible. While it may seem unbelievable from a scientific perspective, the Bible is not just a book of facts, it's a message from the soul that needs to be understood psychologically. If we see this story as a psychological drama, we can discover the true meaning behind it. The Bible is based on a law of self-expression that can lead to amazing accomplishments if we apply it to our own lives. To do this, we need to believe in ourselves and be disciplined in our efforts. So if you're looking to manifest abundance in your life, start by believing in the impossible and applying the law of self-expression. With hard work and dedication, you can achieve anything you set your mind to. Remember, the key to unlocking your full potential is to see the world through a psychological lens and apply the lessons of the Bible to your own life.